Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa addition o ipagdadagdag. For example, 2 plus 1 is equal to what number? Ito ang number 2. Magdadagdag ako ng isa. Ano ang answer? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Our next example is 2 plus 3. What is the sum of 2 plus 3? Sum is the result of addition. This is number 2, and we are going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's have another example. 5 plus 9 is equal to what number? This is the number 5. We are going to add 9, and the fastest way of doing it is plus 10 minus 1. How do we use the addition table in adding 10? Very easy. 5 plus 10 is equal to the number below 5. And the number is 15. Minus 1 is equal to 14. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Let's have another example. 6 plus 11 is equal to what number? 6 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 17. 6 plus 11 is equal to 17.
Walang kulelat sa math! Walang kulelat sa math! A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math!